welcome to Nuvember. Here is November's event. We're hot off the tails of Inktoberfest, and every month we're going to have a different theme of events with your favourite crafters and your new Tonic Studios USA design team. This month is everything Nuvo. We also have lots of new releases to be showing you, so let's take a look at some of the things we'll be showing you this month. Of course, there's going to be lots of bling with the upcoming holiday season. We're going to look at all the different Nuvo adhesives, including adhesive pens and rollers. We've got all of your Nuvo tools here, including your surface sweep and your craft spoon. The new style of stencil brushes are here. Nuvo spray bottles. We have some new releases of sequins and glitter and all things fun to put in your shaker cards in some holiday colours. We'll talk about all the different types of Nuvo watercolours, watercolour pencils, the alcohol markers, brush markers, all those fun things, including Nuvo inks. We're going to have some Nuvo drop downloads for you to tell you all about the different types of Nuvo drops. Of course, we're going to tell you all the different kinds of the Nuvo drops available to you, including what all the different ones mean, the different colour variations, what the different names are, so many different things. It takes up over a shelf of my lovely display here, and this is the new look Hedgehog Hollow Studio. We're going to talk about glimmer pastes, shimmer powders, different types of embossing powders, mica mists. We have the regular embellishment mousse, we have glitter accents, and we also at the end there have a whole range of new embellishment mousse colours that we're launching this month. And I can't wait to show you some of these fun things, and look at all of that texture that I managed to get in a piece, and it really does depend on how thick you make it, when you heat it, all those things. We'll be showing you how to get this variety of textures. We have lots of the pure sheen glitters, we have masking fluid, tons of different sequins and add-ins and confettis and things to go in all of your holiday cards for the upcoming seasons. And we also, as I mentioned, have those new colours as well. So lots of things going on. 30 days, which we hosted over on Tonic Studios USA, Instagram and Facebook pages. We have a different guest designer for every day. Of course, you'll be seeing the Hedgehog Hollow pop up too, but we've shown your favourite crafters alongside that new design team as well. So be sure to show out every day to show them your support. We can't wait to share it all with you. We have giveaways and coupons and all sorts of fun things, plus our regular Wednesday night live videos with you as well throughout November. We're super excited to be sharing with you. Don't forget to stop back here every day to see the offer and the focus of the day. So we'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.